It's 50% off at Rastaclat.com. What's good guys, it's Gavin, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and be sure to comment down below. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get 50% off at Rastaclat.com until March 29. First, click the link down below. Second, pick any bracelet that you want from the site and click checkout. Third, click the gift card or discount code area and type in Gavin Marshall in all caps. See? It's that easy. Make sure to get your Rastaclats now before March 29 to enjoy 50% off of your purchase. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below which clats you'll be getting in Rastaclat Spring Cleaning Sale. Thank you guys for watching, and always seek the positive.